Hello everyone, for my first time viewers, welcome to asedoskitchen, and to all my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm making stewed black-eyed beans. The ingredients for this recipe are black-eyed beans, onion, tomato, vegeta, curry powder, coriander powder, cooking oil, salt and black pepper. The measurements are listed in the description box below. I soaked the beans and prepared the ingredients. Then I heat some oil and fry the onions. Once they turn golden, I add the tomatoes and fry together until the tomatoes soften. At this point, I add black pepper, the spices and the seasoning, followed by water. I cook this covered for 15 minutes and add the soaked beans. I add water and allow this to cook for an hour or until the beans have softened. Please note that the longer you soak the beans, the quicker they will cook. Check the beans regularly and add water as needed until the beans have softened. To check if the beans are ready, press on a bean. As you can see here, the beans have softened, meaning they are well cooked. I adjust salt to taste. I do not add too much salt at this point because the vegeta I added at the start contains salt. I let it simmer on low for 5 minutes. This is enough time for the salt to blend in. Feel free to adjust the salt and seasoning to your liking. The beans are now ready. We had it with bread rolls, but it goes well with rice, kisra, dabo and chapati. If you try this recipe, share your thoughts in the comments section below. This is it from me today. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you all in my next one.